many ways can I say, man, damn it, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Except no imitation. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation.
I be so mountain high, I feel an elevated. Fuck it, I can touch the sky. Riding this escalator, way to reach my destination. Never hesitating, even when them haters keep on hating. I'm the life of the party. No tailgating, drink that Bacardi. We fucking celebrating, no limitations. I gotta go all the way, and this time I'll be paving my own way, letting no one hold me back or talk behind my back. And let's make it toss and never going broke, that's a fact. It's my life, I gotta make the best out of that. Inspired by the fire in my eyes that light up at night.
Nobody got to hold me back. If you're feeling zoned, come on in, let's go. Damn it, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Except no limitations. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation. I'm inspiration.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Today is actually a Wednesday and I'm over here at Auto This World Detailing. You guys seen in previous videos, I've been here before a number of times. Well, what am I doing today? As I promised you guys, I'm PPFing the new CMST tuning carbon fiber hood. So it's going to be full PPF over the hood, protect from road debris, scratches, smear marks, everything like that. So that's what we're doing today, taking you guys along the ride with me. So before we start this video, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Love y'all, blessings. Let's get this video started, y'all. So yeah, guys, if you look right here, this whole hood is going to be PPF. I will bring the camera up close, but every single little crevice, corner, all the details, the whole entire thing is being PPF. And shout out to Auto This World Detailing. They are definitely my #1 connect when it comes to Ceramic Pro, when it comes to PPF, anything like that. Also wraps, detail, yeah, these guys do it all. So can't stress it enough, love them for that. And yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like up close. Camera's on the tripod right now, but big tripod. As you guys can see, AZ is full of dust, yo. Like, you guys think it looks clean? On camera it may, but let me tell you, it's not. Just taking it around here, and now I'm gonna zoom in. And then I'm gonna zoom out. Zoom in. There you guys can see the quality of the carbon fiber that CMST tuning as broadcasted here. It's very, very high quality carbons. Triple weave. Anyways, that's what that looks like. And I have to leave the car with them, but gotta leave it with them overnight. And I'm picking it up tomorrow. So I will show you guys the finished product in the same video. Yes, I'm not gonna make you wait for another video. I'll show you the finished product. Alright, much love, y'all. Alright, y'all, so before they start, I'm gonna have to head out here, but I wanna show you the car. And they are going to apply a waterless ceramic wash before they start the PPF on the hood. That's what I was told. So awesome. Full service here. It is shining already, and obviously it's going to be shining a lot more. You guys let me know in the comments how the video looks. I adjusted everything and learned a lot on these settings, so it should be coming out in major detail now with this new camera. Apologize for the last video in that quality, but yeah. Alright. Alright you guys, so here is the shot after the PPF has been applied, and it is just amazing, bro. Like, it literally looks like a whole new clear coat over the carbon fiber. I can show you right here. Chloe's getting the camera. Hi Lily, my daughter. So, see right here? All of that. Chloe, say hi. Look at that. So there's still bubbles and stuff that need to come out, which obviously the heat will help puncture those little bubbles. As you can see, there's a white bubble right there. That's not a scratch, that's not a blemish. There's just bubbles on there. But I'm showing you guys as close as I can with the 120 zoom lens here. And yeah, it's night and day. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see what I'm seeing, but on video, honestly, this is a good lens. This is why I'm using this 120 right now, and it definitely shows the quality of it. It looks like it's a whole new clear coat, y'all. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I really do like it. I think it's definitely a great investment, especially on this expensive carbon fiber hood. So right here, I mean, all the corners and everything just look immaculate. Get the tripod here, right there. Very, very well done. Also, let me get into the lens here. Give me a second. Also, you guys, the cool thing is, like, there is literally 12-year warranty on my hood. So if any tears, rips, anything like that, peeling happens, I come back to Autoless World Detailing and they reapply it. So I think that's absolutely freaking awesome. 12 years, under 800. So it's amazing, you guys. What a deal. I couldn't be happier. And now my hood is fully protected. The entire hood is PPF'd. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Also want to show you the rest of the vehicle. They were able to apply a ceramic coat wash, like waterless wash. They use a certain detail in there, and well, obviously it makes it pop and shine like a diamond. Yeah, it's amazing. Getting onto the detail, look at it. Right, stepping back. Pretty awesome. Another zoom right there. Alright y'all, if you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button for me. I greatly appreciate it. It helps out the channel greatly. You guys, this is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and major blessings to everybody. Until next time, wait for the next video. Think y'all like it. All right, y'all. Much love.